Okay, so we're ready for our second titration of the day. I'm going to be more patient this time to make sure I don't get that really opaque pink color. I'm going to do a good job. Okay, so for number one, strong acid, this is strong base. Fill the burette with a base again. Let's select what we want. Just to vary it up, I'm going to do hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide, just to vary it up. Yeah, so it fills up. Number four, of course, I'm going to put an indicator. I'm going to use phenolphthalein again. I'm going to get that light pink this time. I'm going to do a good job. Then I'm going to do five. Okay, slider. Let's see. I'll put this a little bit, just a little bit. I don't want to go too far. And I'll make sure I'm looking at the amount. Not only the amount, but that the color is not changing. I'm going to be very observant of that. Note also that this simulation, every time you restart it, you will get a different molarity of the acid with molarity of the base, and that would make your numbers absolutely different every time. So I can't really say it's going to be like my last time because I don't really know that. I would have to be patient enough to continue doing this thing. And again, in the lab, it's even more tedious. It takes a very, very long time. Yes, did you see that we got like a little pink color? It already went away. But now I'm not going to do what I did last time. And this is what you should do as soon as you see a bit of the color showing up. You're not going to be risky and use the slider again. You want to go drop by drop. You would actually turn that tap very quickly, all the way like a 180 degree. And that would just let out like one or two drops every time. And it would make it so that your volume is not like a ton. It's very, very little. Your amount that you're delivering is very little. My color is showing but going away, so I need to continue doing the drops. And at this point, I bet you are, oh, miss, please use the slider. But nope, I don't want it to get messed up, so I'm going to continue doing it like this. I'm going to have faith that at some point I'm going to get to the point that the color is going to change. Maybe I get a little desperate and I go like 3 taps at a time. Maybe. Okay, that worked. A little more. Let's see. Still looking. It's like watching paint dry. Titrations are like really useful, but they're very tedious work in the lab. We keep going. We're going to get to that point. And that particular point is called an end point in a titration. The point at which you've added enough base, in this case, to neutralize all the acid in the flask. And we should be able to know that by noting the faint change in color and stopping it right at that point. Oof. Apparently we're going to be here a while. And this is what will happen with you as you were trying it on Monday. It takes a little while. Those of you that were able to access the animation. Let's see. We're gonna get there. You'd hope I get there before the 5 minutes go by. I'm getting risky. I'm doing 3 drops at a time. 4 drops. This is about the time. Oh, yes. You see that? Perfect. So we got that kind of see-through light pink, and we can still see the rotating pill in there. This is actually a magnetic stirrer, and it's really cool when you put it on what we use for our hot plates. It actually has a portion, and I know you've asked me before, and I wish I would have shown you. When you put the little knob that says stir, and nothing would happen, you're like, what is that for? Well, that knob would actually, if you had a magnet inside, it would make that magnet actually spin, which makes you very happy because this little magnet, very, very simple little magnetic bar, is going to rotate and mix the solution for you automatically, just by the magic of magnetism, right? Which is really awesome. So we've gotten to the end point of our titration now. We're going to go a step ahead and we're going to calculate what we're supposed to calculate at this point. So then be ready for that. I'm going to show you that in the next video.